Hi guys, just back from holiday. Got a package waiting for me. Glad to see it was still there because I did have an email from AliExpress telling me they'd delivered 2 of the items I'd ordered, asking me to confirm their receipt. Well, I couldn't do that because I was on holiday. Bit disappointed to only find one package, but it's possible that everything might be in the one package. So we'll have a look. There should be 3 lots of gears, pinion gears as I call them, and a couple of USB memory card readers. So let's have a look. Check they haven't got my name written on the outside of the packages. Right, so we've got 2 packages there inside the one big package. That feels like that might be the memory cards, memory card readers. Can we get that open? Yes, that's the memory card readers. Good old fashioned, used to buy these in Poundland, funnily enough. And one of them has broken, and the other one, well, I didn't want to be left with just one, so I looked online, found these on AliExpress. I think I can't remember the actual prices, I think they were 60 pence or something, or 70 pence. But obviously you've got the postage on top of that, so I ordered 3 to make it worthwhile. We'll find out if they work later. And then this, in that case, should be the gears. I ordered 8 tooth, 9 tooth and 10 tooth, I think. Yeah, they're all in the same package there. I can see 9, I can see 8, and I can see 10. Well, that's good. I don't know if I've got an electric motor I can push one on now, just to see if they fit. I've usually got an electric motor laying around somewhere. Can we get that one off? Lever it off. Because I ordered the ones that are a tight fit rather than the loose fit, so they should fit tightly. Yep, tight fit. That's the 10 teeth. I just seem to have done a few repairs of charity shop stuff that have all been split gears. Yep, that one fits tight. So that's 8 and 10 tooth. Let's try the 9 tooth. Yep, 8, 9, 10. That's good. Yeah, good tight fit. So that was AliExpress. Put that one back on there. Don't know how many teeth that one is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's 10 tooth. Yeah. So there you go. Grandad's post bag. 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.